In today's data-driven world, enterprises need more than just data. They need trusted, unified, AI-ready data, delivered instantly across the business. With Reltio data sharing from Microsoft Fabric, you can securely access high-quality 360-degree enterprise data in real time, without ever copying it. Let's see how it works. Log in to the Reltio console and navigate to the data sharing application. Here, we'll create a new data share. Simply click New Data Share and select Microsoft Fabric as the destination. Next, enter the configuration details. Start with the name of the data share. Let's call it OV Only Value Share. Then provide the region details of your Microsoft Fabric account. To get those details, log into your Fabric account. Click on question mark at the top bar. Then click on About Fabric. And look for the region in your data is stored in. Here the region is West US. You need to provide the same region details while setting up the data share in Reltio. Let's go back to the Reltio console application. Select the same region as your Fabric account, which is West US in this case. Next, enter the recipient's email address who will accept the data share in their Fabric account. Here I am providing the email address through which I have logged in into the Fabric account. Lastly, specify whether you want to share only operational values data. OV Only Values ensures that the data is shared in a simplified tabular format and not in the Reltio's hierarchical data format. And save the configuration. Once you click on Save, Reltio automatically takes care of all the necessary provisioning of the Microsoft Fabric resources, so there's no need for you to do any further manual setup beyond this configuration. Once you get the success message and the share is created, simply generate a data share link. To generate a data share link, hover over the data share you just created and click on Create Data Share Link. And wait for a few seconds. Once the link is generated, use it to log into your Fabric account and accept the data you shared from your Reltio tenant. Once you log into your Fabric account, you will see a message to accept the external data share. Click on Accept and review the contents. Select the lakehouse where you want the shared data to appear and click on Next. Review the contents and click on Apply. With this, all the data that you shared from Reltio will be available to you within your Microsoft Fabric account in a simplified schema format which is ready to be consumed for any of your analytics or AI workloads. Here you have the data related to activities, entities, interactions, match, merge, relationships, and workflows. Now, let's compare the data for one of the entities that you have in Reltio with the data shared with Microsoft Fabric. For that, I'll log in to the Reltio Hub application. Here, I am looking at two entity types, product and product category, where I have 51 products and 10 product categories. Now, let's go back to Fabric and load the data in product table. If we look through the entire list, we'll see that it has the same set of 51 product records as in the Reltio tenant. And not only that, the products data such as product ID, product name, organization, and more are shared in the simplified tabular format, which makes this data to be ready to be consumed in any of our subsequent downstream applications. To demonstrate that, let's create a Power BI report on top of this data. Firstly, I'll create a semantic model. Let's call it as OV model. And select the product table to be included in this model. Now, once the model is created, I'll navigate to the One Lake catalog, look for the model just created, right-click on it and choose Create Report. This will create a Power BI report for you which you can customize further. For customization, we'll use Copilot and look at how easily it can consume the data shared from Reltio. For that, click on Copilot and ask it to create a new report page. Copilot will ask you to tell the key attributes to focus on for the report. Let's add product ID and product name to start with. Copilot will make use of the Reltio data and create the report with product ID and product name as columns. Now, let's modify the report further and add organization column as well. and hide other panes for better visibility of the report. Now, imagine you need to see the product distribution per organization. Let's ask Copilot to help us with that with a prompt: add a pie chart to show product per organization. And here we have it, a pie chart showcasing the product distribution per organization, all based on the data shared from Reltio. For the last part of the demo, let's save this report and name it as Product Master Data. Click on Share and open it in a separate tab. And we can see the report rendering correctly. If we hover over the pie chart, we can see that for the organization Gaming Gear has 9 products and Data Flow Solutions has 10 products. To demonstrate the live data share between Reltio and Fabric, I'll go back to Reltio Hub UI and open the product that belongs to the organization Data Flow Solutions. Let's pick Gaming Desk with LED Lightning and open it. I'll go to Edit mode and update its organization from Data Flow Solutions to Gaming Gear. And save it. This update should reflect in my report where the pie chart should now show 10 products for Gaming Gear has 9 products for Data Flow Solutions. Let's go back to the report and refresh it. And when we hover over the pie chart, we do see the updates that I did in Reltio appearing in the report as well in real time. Thus, Reltio data sharing with Microsoft Fabric enables you to accelerate your AI and analytics journeys by harnessing the full value of your data securely, efficiently, and at scale.